ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ban punjana shishu ka jinga jing shakri shikipat ba hakaliang ka kot ka khia o menteri ka sarkar jilna o bapat je ka tanat ka kot ka khia o James Piki Sangma ulabo yo Mawnongrim ban Kyntiew Kyrdan nya ka Shangpung PHC sha ka CHC hagani ka sngi balabo yo Mawnongrim haga sngi balang jong ka Henry tarik ubnai risau arajar arpuai haga jingelang ka badalong ha community hall Shangpung po snong la sakhi lang do MLA uba coming one umban Kyntiew u district medical and health officer jong ka West Kyntiew Hills district u Dr. KC Ajar bat kiwei Yaka community health center ka bathamai an satay hapo lingdo Shangpung po snong bat hagani ka jaka ai jing sumar an sabo hado lai photli ki jing thia ban ai jing sumar ye ki nongpang
ke kani ki kantor ki pragati kalaya ga operate ka PCC ngakat kam helo ini Shangpung ki mam surrounding yo chno ki kam ba ya facilities Ajing itu wabah cakap terang. Kakak memakan ini dan doa tadi hitung oleh daripada bisnis itu hospital saja loh. Teman yo ini kesingan tinggi bro dalam punah jumlah dia. Hai tahu lah saja loh, saja loh. Dia Victor yo biar. Dalam kelak kamu non, semua lagi bisnis kakak non semua Sila dulu ini. Dan yang building ini function itu start dengan tepat. I would like to request also the Honorable Minister, please sanction this Dr. Post and the staff of the CSC also. Dan sanction tadi building ini. Jadi North UM dengan yang terpuk ini for kata dia building. Now, 12 building berkamu function ini. Yang staff dengan komunikasi. Dekat ini perlu perjuang macam awal macam ini. Uji kerja lagi terhadap department. Apa macam awal ini. Wah, dia ini sangat ni tahu betul yang diisi juga CC. Dengan ajar diri walau yang begini dengan dalam kemana. Bahaya boleh. I would like to thank the Honorable CM also. I used to go to his office every day to put pressure on him to sanction for this CEC for Shangpung.
He has been pursuing the accreditation of this PHC to CHC very rigorously. And today, he has been very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister. I would also like to thank Honorable Chief Minister for sanctioning and giving administrative approval for this accreditation. But I think today, the real hero and the man of the match today should be Mawnongrim for all the efforts, for all the trouble that he has taken to make sure that this PHC is upgraded to CHC. But after taking over this department, I have come to realize that there are so many challenges that we still have in front of us. COVID was just one. And these challenges are being met because we have such dedicated doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, and I am so thankful to them. As a minister, I would like to place on record here that our doctors, our paramedics, our nurses, our police personnel, all those frontliners who were so actively involved in fighting against COVID, they have given so much of selfless service during that time. That is why today, when we upgrade this PHC to a CHC, you'll be having specialists, you'll be having more facilities available in this CHC. It will make the healthcare sector much more robust, much more accessible to the people of this village and the adjoining villages. We have a lot of challenges in front of us. We are hoping for the best and we are preparing for the worst. That's what I keep saying as a department. We must always prepare for the worst, but we must hope for the best also. So when we hope for the best, we are hoping that COVID-19 will slowly start disappearing. Now is the time to also start focusing healthcare into other sectors. We need to go into other sectors like our IMR, infant mortality rate. Meghalaya, as per the NFHS, it is 30. That is the kind of infant mortality rate that we have. And 30, when you compare it to the all India figure of 31, is very high. Kerala has only 6 per 1,000 live births. That means 6 children die, infants die. When we look at maternal mortality rate, we have 197. This is also again as per the SRS 2016 to 2018, and which is again very high as compared to the national average of 113, I beg your pardon. And I believe Mawnongrim has already got a copy of this, but still, as a token gesture, I would like to hand him a copy of this administrative approval just for his record. Friends, really gives me so much happiness to see our legislators, our MLAs, our leaders taking so much interest in the welfare of our citizens in terms of health. We all know how important and critical the health sector is. If we do not have healthy citizens, we cannot have economic growth. If we do not have healthy citizens, we cannot have happiness. Therefore, health is, in my opinion, one of the most critical sectors for any government. It is one of the most important areas which needs focus and attention.